Whole lot of loving, 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 loving. Whole lot of. Hey, mama don't need your shit. I don't need no lip, just a whole lot of loving. Niggas always tryna hate, but when I'm with a bitch, get a whole lot of loving. Finally, I can move how I want it. I need pick the time and I'm zoning. You got me, I got you, and that's all that I need when I wake in the morning. For a whole lot of loving. For a whole lot of loving. Whole lot of loving. Whole lot of loving, 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 loving. Whole lot of loving. Whole lot of loving, 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 loving. Whole lot of loving. Whole lot of loving, 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 loving.
God damn it, I'm fucked up.
About to go down. Order another round.
Southside on the track, yeah.
Whatever I said. Whatever I said. Order, 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 order. Seeing the crosses, they get it. The snipers, they with me and tripping. Order, 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 order. 10 ain't know I'm lethal. I done been a lot legal. Crib back down in Rio. 10 chains on feel. Niggas want beef from that jail. My dad on keto. 5 guys with me on jail. Shoot 6 like CeeLo. I'm one at the top of the barrel. Number 1, get all the zeros. Sipping on water, not sterile. Niggas keep chatting, keep playing around before you end up on a mural. Blocking and spin like a girl. I'm Batman, I ain't with no help, yeah. Out of the south, then we packed to the east. Jumped to somewhere I couldn't buy me a seat. Then moved out west because bro had a V. Looked in his house and said, need one of these. 300 days and it still ain't no sleep. Inside and outside was 90 degrees. 9 big tables with a lot of a seed. Mafia shitty, you gotta compete. Slipping and slide out the side, creep. I gotta keep it a secret. That's not a body, she got a physique. Took her to Brooklyn to meet with 13. She got some friends I've been wanting to meet. She got a squad, yeah, she keep us some demons. All of the heathens, they love them some freaks. We got the heat. Order, we poppin', I know that they get it. The snipers is with me and trippin'. Second verse, I'm active. Whole squad on me, 10 plus in mathematics. Lot of racks on this plastic. 6 months down on the Cabo. The lil tryna teach me Spanish. Alto shaped like Xanax. Cups filled up, then vanish.
Yeah, I came out the street with the demon. Yeah, stay high and creep low, Lamborghini. Yeah, I'm clutching the pole, I'm a sprinkler. Yeah, I got a main bitch, but I'm mute. Yeah, I'm down in this pill with some lean. Yeah, the hook on the chopper, Kareem. Yeah, I'm popping these bitch like a bean. Yeah, she sit in the coupe that she eat. Whatever that fucking mean. Dirty soda in the styrofoam. Spill a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up a gas. Switching lanes in the Grand Rapids. We the one that kept it cool with all these niggas till these niggas start acting. Shoot a nigga like film in a movie, nigga gon' let them have it. We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shootin' a nigga tragic. I'm the one that living lavish. Like I'm playing for the Mavericks. I done want it for the bitch that might have made me fuck her even though she average. Dirty money in the cook. 45 certified by my good. When young nigga in the cut, take you out for some joints. It's counter money, no rush. I'm on the one-way flushing. Loud pack smelling mustard. These fucking police can't touch me. These bogus police can't touch me. These fucking niggas can't touch me. Apply the pressure with the VVS. I drive the foreign like it was a Chevy. Drive the foreign like it was a Chevy. Lift it up and go and offset it. Fuck a cougar like she Halle Berry. Future hinges, dirty sprite, legendary. Dirty something in the styrofoam. Spill a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up a gas. Switching lanes in the Grand Rapids. We the one that kept it cool with all these niggas till these niggas start acting. Shoot a nigga like a film in a movie, nigga, gon' let them have it. We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shootin' niggas tragic.
They tried to turn me to an animal, but white people think I'm radical. Supermodels think I'm handsome. You might think I'm too aggressive, but really I think I'm too passive. Till I pull out the chopper, start blasting.
I'ma come back in the
I'm about to hit the yay button. I don't wanna say nothing wrong, but it'd be wrong if I ain't say nothing. Imagine if I ain't say something, wouldn't none of niggas say nothing. I done lost and made money, now I'm making something they can't take from me. And I'm fresh out of debt in this motherfucker. And they still ain't ready yet for a motherfucker. Yeezy might have to go and put his Louis on. I'm about to go Gucci in a Gucci store. Gucci store.
Fresh out the beds in this motherfucker, and they still ain't ready yet for a motherfucker. Gucci mane, and I'm about to put my Yeezys on. Now that Gucci home is over for you Gucci clones.
all the seas straight up, throw it up. Watch it fall and drop. Round and go. Stop, round and go. Champions, we run the city. Number one, they falling from the top. Round and go. Round and go. Straight up.
Look, I said a prayer for my enemies. They could not slow down, was meant for me. Funny how they come around like I can't see through their secret identities. Lately it's all about enemy, subtracting the negative energy. Fuck with the family, turn your ass to a memory. My niggas keep it a century. I blow the check up, nigga, detonation. Kill them one by one, final destination. Top my destination, I got guardian angels all around the nigga that's deflecting Satan. I'm a motherfucking champion, this right here the fucking anthem. I can't dap you without handstand, I don't know your dirty ass hands been. I wake up to like 100 texts. Championship team, but we can't cut the net. She all off in my jersey, looking underdressed. I'm finna buy this bitch 100.
On to the next, 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 on to the next.
Hold up.
Hey. Somebody bring me back the money, please.
Hove on that new shit. Niggas like how come? Niggas want my old shit. Buy my old album. Niggas stuck on stupid. I gotta keep it moving. Niggas make the same shit. Me, I make the blueprint. Came in the range. Hopped out the Lexus. Every year since. I've been on that next shit. Traded in a gold for the platinum Rolexes. Now a nigga wrist match the status of my records. Used to rock a throwback, ballin' on the corner. Now I rock a telesuit, looking like a owner. No, I'm not a Jonas, brother, I'm a grown-up. No, I'm not a virgin, I use my cojones. I move onward, the only direction. Can't be scared to fail, search of perfection. Gotta keep it fresh, girl, even when we sexin'. Or don't be mad at him when it's on to the next one.
Somebody bring me back the money, please. I got a million ways to get it. Shoes one. Hey, bring it back, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one, on to the next, on to the next one, on to the next, on to the next one, on to the next, on to the next.
I got the rap patrol on the cat patrol. Foes that want to make sure my casket's closed. Rap critics saves money cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid, what type of facts are those? If you grew up with holes in your tap of toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dope. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef with radio if I don't play they show. They don't play my hits, well I don't give a shit. So Rap Max trying to use my black ass so advertisers could give them more cash for ads. Fuckers, I don't know what you take me as or understand the intelligence that Jay-Z has. I'm from rags, the richest niggas, I ain't dumb. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me, hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Bitch ain't one. Bitch ain't one. Hit me. Yeah, it's 94 and my trunk is raw. In my rear view mirror is the motherfucking law. Got two choices, y'all. Pull over the car or bounce on the devil, put the pedal to the floor. And I ain't trying to see no highway chase with Jake. Plus I got a few dollars, I can fight the case. So I pull over to the side of the road. I heard, son, do you know I'm stopping you for? Cause I'm young and I'm black and my hat's real low. Do I look like a mind reader, sir? I don't know. Am I under arrest or should I guess some more? Well, you was doing 55 in the 54. Lost the registration and step out of the car. You carrying a weapon on you, I know a lot of you are. I ain't stepping out of shit, all my papers legit. Well, do you mind if I look around the car a little bit? Well, my glove compartment is locked, so it's...
That was all him, not gonna lie. I might gotta save that intro. I might gotta just play that intro every day. That's a fire intro. Anywho, kind of get to serious business here. It's covered. Oh, that's why. That's fine. What's up, chat? What's going on? Good morning. Going 2000 next leverage day. Nah, they're saying Wix and I are Dawn on a DJ. I'm not gonna lie, man. I don't want to be biased or anything, but Wix I don't pick his songs though. I pick my songs though, song by song. He just plays a playlist, or he just plays a mix. Not no shade or anything, but you know, I pick my songs though. All right, chat. Today is a big day, as you can see. It is NFP Friday, special Friday, very, very special Friday. Now, you don't have NFP until like an hour or 2 hours here, basically 8:30. So you should be chilling. But it should be a pretty interesting NFP today. I believe they are expecting bad numbers. So if numbers are coming out bad, then what would you expect price to do on gold? Probably drive, right? However, let's see. we gotta wait for news to come out. And I believe since we've been ranging for the past like I think 3 days here, basically we haven't been moving much. We should expect a breakout today. You know, like the longer you range, the more the bigger the breakout will be. Especially with the fact that you have news today, and you know, so that should bring in some volume in the markets. But this is looking like a sweet GJ fake out too on a 1H. So yeah, we may get some GJ trades here beforehand. But let me just do the analysis real quick and then we'll get back to the charts. But you have about like 24 minutes left into NFP, so we have a shit ton of time today. All right. I honestly would prefer gold drop though, to be honest. It's just the monthly makes perfect sense, you know. It's you have a lot cleaner ranges going down than you have going up. So I would prefer sells, but obviously we can't choose what we want. We gotta just adapt, right? So zoom. All right, cool. Hold on, wait. All right, where can I send the Zoom link? All right. So let's take a look here, guys. GJ, as you can see, GJ has broken back into this range here today. So the range, basically the range I'm discussing here, it may be hard for you guys to see it, but what I'm looking at here is this. You see how, just pay attention to this purple box here, right? Just look inside this box. All right, as you can see, you can say you have a strong supply zone, strong demand zone. All right, this is the range that we're breaking back into. How are we breaking back into the range, you may ask? Well, we're breaking back into the range because this candle yesterday, this one right here, closed bearish, right? And as it closes bearish, it closed bearish back below this resistance. So it's closing below support. There's a high chance today you'll probably see price drive down towards the support at 16500. So I'm pretty bearish today. As for positions, I mean, I would love for us to get positions in about 21 minutes here. If we get a closure at 7 a.m. here, this is perfect, because if you drop to a small time frame, with the day bias being bearish, target being what again? 160 to 65. You have this range one breaker here last entry in London, right? So if you can break below this range now, close below, it's a high chance you can look to drive down to fill the range and then continue down. So this is what I'm looking at right here. I want to see if we can close below in about 20 minutes here, and then the break of the lows at 161.995 would be the sell stops, coming down towards the support at 161.556. And that's only if you don't drive in the next 20 minutes here. So guys, better pray we don't move, so we can get positions. If it does drive, then it just drives it for us, right? But this is a perfect range one fake out. So same shit as yesterday, from yesterday, chat, on gold at 9 a.m. Same thing today. It's just on GJ this time. This is a range one. There's no buys. Closure back into the range to continue down with the current market trend. As for gold though, let's just mark this up real quick. Sells below here, and then cool. We can put here, I guess, and then next support's down here. All right, cool. Yeah, so what you're expecting here is you're expecting price to drive down here, right? If we close back into the range, you're expecting the next candle to drive down, and then that candle should fill the range, and that would be our sell entry. And then after that, if you don't like this range, you just wait for a breakout below here, because if this is a fake out, we should get a continuation of price to the downside to fill the rest of the ranges. But yeah, on to gold here. Gold, we probably won't touch gold until NFP. I could be wrong. We may touch it maybe at 7:30. It depends, but it's looking like we may not get in positions till NFP because of the nasty range we're in, right? Unless you break out. But the day today is technically bearish. Like, technically bearish. Doesn't really matter though, because it's going to be heavily based off of fundamentals today, based on the NFP and how numbers come out. But I'm pretty bearish for the day due to the fact that you have this strong, the monthly candle came up, right? The monthly candle is overall still bearish. You came up, you didn't break the monthly highs. You created a nice top wick. With the daytime for starting to close bearish here, creating some type of resistance here, I would expect us to continue down towards the next support, which is like these levels down here at like 16.95. So nothing too crazy, but once you break below these levels, like once the actual closures below here, like next week or the week after, then you'll see continuation of price to the downside. But until then, you're gonna be stuck in this range for the next couple of days, unless you break out today. Who knows? But this is the range you're in right now. You're kind of stuck in this area. But yeah, technically we're bearish. So as for positions today, I'm honestly just gonna wait for a breakup below here, below 1705.669 or 665. Below here, coming down towards next support would be ideal here. 169.5.926. That would be ideal for sales, all right? But that's all that we're looking for, to be honest, today. Just a closure below here, and it should be ideal to continue down towards 16.99 and 16.95. All right, chat? But that is all for the day, I believe. GJ here, or yeah, GJ here has more potential right now as we speak, so we're gonna be locking into that. All right. Very straightforward. Quick analysis today. That was a very quick one. That wasn't anything too crazy. Gold's going to break monthly highs before a fall. I mean, if it does it, then that's, I mean, if it does that, then it does that. I can't really tell you where or how or when. It's not my job. My job is to be a bandwagon, you know? Do you play stop loss above bearish kind of high or fake out for Julia? It'll be above the bearish kind of high probably. Well, let's see. I didn't measure pips yet, but ooh, might have to use current candles probably. Because the 1 hour candle stops are going to be like minimum here, like 60 pips. So it's a little too wide. So we're probably going to have to wait for the... Oh, wow. This is perfect actually, chat. Because the 4H here as well. You see how it's respecting this resistance here? This is a bullish candle, yeah? But still respecting resistance. And on top of that, this 4 hour candle on gold is a range 1. So you have a 1 hour range 1. And then you have a 4H range 1 as well. While respecting this resistance here. So if you break the lows on this 4H, which is where? Which is the low here? Here? 161,980. Perfect. It matches perfectly with the 1 hour. So that's where our stop loss is going to be if you close below. If you close below, we should be good to drive. That'd be perfect. That would be perfect. Yo, chat, if you guys enjoyed the stream, to hit a like. We got 55 likes. We can get at least 150, chat. 150. Let's make the goal 200 before 7 a.m. here. Oh no, we have no stop. Sorry, no. I just drew a liner to just check price. We have nothing. All right, no stops. We're waiting here. Okay. But yeah, 15 minutes or we'll have a stop probably, unless you close above. But this is looking perfect. Perfecto. I would love to use a previous candle stop, but it's just a little too wide, 60 pips. We're gonna have to find a smaller stop. $60 pips. Where did you buy range 2? Yeah, it was this right here, range 1. That has a range 2. I had to buy for range 2, but I didn't target anything too crazy because I had even though it was a range 2, overall the 1H was still range 1, so it's kind of confusing there. But I didn't leave any runners or anything too crazy. I just kind of cut profits. I like I think 12 pips or something. After the intro, I thought we had 2 million likes. Yo, for real, the intro is fire. Oh, I gotta make use of my devices because every time I click on Spotify here, you see how the news at the top goes away? You see how it just changed? I need to use my iPad or something. Change music. I need to make more use of my other devices, you know? Like I'm only using my phone and desktop right now, but I need to use other devices here to take advantage of we all gonna die. Man, why doesn't Apple have USB-C charger, bro? Like, how does the iPhone still have lightning cable? Houseway. Like they had it on the iPad in like 2018, but like, they can't apply it to the iPhone. More money? Facts. If GJ don't close below, yeah, if it doesn't close below, then you can form a range 2. Then we can take buys later. Because if it doesn't close below here, it's gonna respect the support. Therefore, the support is gonna be respected. It's not breaking below, right? And then what we can wait for is the 1 hour seller replay or 2. Wait for the onion play. Then this will happen instead for price, which is fine too. I mean, I wouldn't mind. Right? The sales are just an idea. But if it doesn't form, it doesn't form. Fake out on gold? No, more of a barcode on gold, to be honest. More of a barcode on gold. Oh wait, maybe I can do this. Oh yeah, I can just do this. Wow, never mind. Clever boy. Question: if the FOREX is bullish above and say, for example, 30-minute 1 hour is giving a fake on the downside, what would you take it? Yeah, so you're asking about GG, right? GG 4 hours bullish? Yeah, but it comes down to where it closed. And in this case, the 1 hour or the 4H is closed bullish, yeah. But the 4H is also range 1 as well, right? It's a range 1. And also it's respecting this resistance still. So the 1 hour is just a cherry on top. Yeah, I need a current count stop. That's all. What doesn't the blend mode doesn't work? GBPJPY. On NFP, you saw some buy stop? Not me. I don't play those games. It's not me. Yeah, I won't have buy stop stops. People will though. People are gonna have fun with it. But me, I don't know, man. That's not my type of fun. Oh, you mean hypothetically? Yeah, if it closed above, what's the question again? Will you take it? Depends on the daily time frame. It comes down to a daily. If the daily is heavily bearish, yeah. But if the daily is bullish and the 4 is bullish and the 1 hour is a fake out, I wouldn't take it. Don't you think past 2 weeks volume shift are creating difficult zones? Yeah, it's just like normal market conditions though as you're shifting to quarter 4, right? It's gonna get a lot worse the closer we get to December. Up here, this is GJ. Hold on, this is a playlist. Yo, any new album drops last night? Adding these pro to the top is pretty nice. Yep. I love it. Stays focus. It's clean at the top now. It's not too much going on. I low-key wanna, like, I don't know, maybe next year, chat, I wanna get rid of the monthly record, just have the yearly record. Or like the all-time record. Why so much volume at them quarters? Pulling out taxes or what?
I guess we'll never know.
Well, it's eventually gonna. I think yeah. At the end of every quarter is usually when the yeah. I mean that makes sense. Especially quarter 4 or quarter 3 too, right? Quarter 3 end of quarter 3 is usually when you see the most volume. Makes sense. The last like 2 weeks have been pretty crazy. Can I share a chart? Yes, and then Discord. US30. Margarita? Yeah, US30 today is pretty bearish. Pretty bearish today. You close below the support to left on the daily. I wouldn't be surprised if the day kind of just does something like this today. Right? Especially the fact that they're expecting bad numbers for $1. I wouldn't be surprised if this happens as well for US30. Should come down, tap these levels to the left. It's all clean traffic, tapping like the 29,500 levels. But yeah, I would highly suggest wait for the after news though, probably, because you have a clean cells below here, below this range here, very clean. Very clean. Below there, coming straight down towards like here. It's all clean. I don't think we're gonna get this fake out here on GJ. Looks like it's still in close respecting, and if it does this, then tough. For the fake out, it has to close below here. Dimitri White, what's up? What up? One minute. Oh man, I've been up since like London, chat. I slept like mad early yesterday. I slept like at 7 yesterday. I didn't even trade Asia or anything. Very close above can take buys for range 2. Yeah, technically, but it'll have to be in a breakout highs. You can't just take it here, right? Because if you close above, this is now the range 1, and then since you're closing bearish, respecting support, this is the range 2 support formed, right? Because you're breaking above the range, and then you're forming the support. So then this becomes a range 2, right here, right? This is your range 1. This is your range 2. So 1, 2. Your buys are gonna be above here. Above here going up towards next resistance, which is targeting these levels to the left. So then you have this range going up for around like 52 pips. The seller replay is valid for the buys. Yeah, be close respecting. So let's see, from here to here is a 39 pip range. Nice. Yeah, honestly what I'll do is just wait for a closure above here later, above 162 617, because like it's you see how we spent some time in this range earlier. Now we're spending some time in this range. Like what's happening right here, you broke up, came down, created support, is the same thing that happened here. You came down, created support, came back up, and you made a range, right? You just made this. This is what's happening right here. This is equivalent to this. So what happens if you don't break out? You're gonna spend some time in the range. But however, if you do break out later, you get continuation at price. So if you break it to the upside, you should get continuation towards the next resistance. So I'll probably just wait for a closure above 162 617 if I'm interested in buys, because anything that happens in this range is none of our business really, right? It's not a bad range. It's like a 35 like pit range, but it's not too bad of a range. But it's just I'd rather wait for a breakout, especially for the sells. Send it in Discord, bro. I want to check charts on this. Send it in Discord. Are charts nice or should I sleep? Honestly, it looks decent. Looks decent today. It's not too bad. GJ is clean today. Gold's gonna, you know, chop today. Until NFP. This guy's like, Wix 9 actually dropped facts, as if Wix 9 doesn't drop facts. Like all the time. Wix 9 Vanity drops more facts than me. for you. Is that a good spot? No, right? That's so it's too cluttered there, right, chat? Way too cluttered. Guess that's okay. Do you take the buys of current count stops? Yes. Yes, I did. Yeah, send a chart under charts for stream. Under this channel. If you weren't trained, what would be your preferred career? Probably like somewhere in the digital design world, like a graphic designer or something, or a video editor or something. I don't know, something like that. Something where I can use my art skills and apply them. Somewhere in a creative world, probably field. Honestly, chat, there's not a lot of creative traders out there. I'm not gonna lie. Like trade the in the industry, I don't think I ever came across like a creative FX trader, to be honest. Which channel send chart in? Charts for stream. Charts for stream. I'm not talking about that type of creative, by the way. I'm talking about like the art creative. You know? Unless it is. I ain't talking about the YouTube creative. I'm talking about the art creative. I never came across one. I don't think you're here, chat. You can maybe get the onion, but I think you need a 15 closure first, minimum. 15 is maybe a 30 closure. This isn't too bad though. Like the break of highs on 30 here, because of the 1 hour respect and support, wasn't too bad of an entry. Chart shared. Hey, what's up with this? Feedback on loss, please, Don. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. Also, respecting the support. I see the idea though. It makes sense. It's just with no bottom wick, and you're kind of respecting this level here to the left, right? 1706. I like that idea though. It makes perfect sense. Range 2 breakout, no trades there. Fake out back into range as day count flip air fake out styles back into range 1. Nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I want to. Fake out back into the range. Count close the buffer buys. Perfect. Yeah. This is exactly what I'm looking for too. It's just that I'm considering the buys here. See how this 15 closes here, chat. If this 15 can close above here, we may attempt an entry at 15. If you close above 162, 368. Because there's like a 15 resistance here. So you want to close above. If you close above, this next count should continue to drive up towards like 162, 593, and we'll have a head start to the runners. You're the sun in my morning, babe. What's Discord's webhook? Stay devious, right? We're bringing US30 back? Yeah, next year. It's pretty tight range. Because like thing is, I take the bias here already during London, right? Because I already had a range 2 in a small time frame. And then this range is just, it's the same range really. It's not that small of a range. It's like 25 pips. It's pretty decent. Because if the 1 hour is respecting the support, right, and then you have a 15-30 close at support rejecting that level, high chance it can drive up to the top of the range. Well, we don't know if it's gonna break above here, but we know that it can at least drive up to the top of the range here for 24 pips. Not bad. Let's see, 4 minutes left. You're also gonna need a bottom wick too. I want to see us tap like 162, 262. If we don't get a bottom wick, I'll just wait for the 30. 30 instead. So this is what you're kind of expecting right here for this next 15 and pop up like this, right? But before it pops up, you want a bottom wick. Like tapping it into this level, I'll have a buy stop after. This is a minor resistance here that we gotta clear first, but once you close above here, you should be good. Which is in 3 minutes. Probably won't leave runners too though. Just gonna target the next resistance. Oh, 1 hour close below on gold here. Interesting. You don't have my webhook permission? You just copy and paste the chart. Everyone here, it sounds like their trading view link, right? That's it. Go on picture, copy chart image, paste, or copy link to the chart image and then paste. So this is what you do. Go here, boom, copy, boom, boom. That's it. Oh, Zitchy, man. Should I play some hockey to you again, chat? I'm addicted. It's good though. It's a good addiction, right? Hockey. It's not bad. Not bad addiction. Pretty healthy addiction. Something about, bro, just something about getting on the ice. The sounds and, you know, the skates on the ice. It just sounds like crisp. You don't have webhook permission? It might be your Discord, Ashley. I'm not too sure. Everyone sends their link fine. Any addiction is bad? Well, it's getting my heart pumping, so. Yeah, entering the practice, yeah. That's what I do. The rings I go to are pretty empty. Looks like we are not gonna get the 15 close. So you know what we're gonna do? We are going to wait for the 30. We're gonna wait for the 30 here, guys. Gold can't do much as well on gold, to be honest. 1 hour on gold is bearish, but did close below the range. Oh, most recent. Overall, I guess you can argue and say it closes right at it, but I would honestly just rather clear this range out. Why isn't range 2 breakout on 30 at your 232 resistance? Because I have it off of the 1H. Wait, what's your question? I'm confused. This is my range 2. This is a range 2 technically, right here. But I'm just gonna go off of the 1H. Because if you the 1 hour close is respecting, right? So this is your support here. But if you form support here, then I mean, yeah, it's valid for a range 2 to go up already. Because technically, like on a small time frame, it's already a range 2 breakout off the 30 and 1 hour because of this right here. This is your range 1. This is your support resistance, and this is your range 2. Right? Anything above here just buys. Is that your question? You text her for sells? Yeah, if you break back into the range, it's a fake out. If you break back into the range, it's still a fake out because the daily is still bearish today, right? This is a range of 1. Like on a higher time frame on a 1H, it's still a range 1. So it's not like, that's why I said earlier, if you were close below, I would have taken sells off the 4 breakout lows, the current 4 hour lows, but didn't happen, right? So we can't. Yeah, 15 close bullish here, but we're gonna have to wait for a 30 here, chat. 12 minutes left. It's not too long of a wait.
Share the same pain and struggle, it ain't nothing coming between us. Yeah. Her man's
How many pips your stop loss normally done? Depends on the trade. It's an average of, I'll say 20 pips probably. I'll say that's the average range. My back hurts. Giveaway day? Oh yeah, yeah, good reminder. Maybe yeah, we can do a giveaway maybe. Wait, did I? Which reminds me, did I think the other guy? Did I even send to the other guy the other day? Hold on, wait, I don't know. I swear I did. Let me check. When was your last runner? On stream? On stream. I'll say like, well, it depends on what account's running. We had a runner in August, but September had a runner too. I'll say ending past 50 was probably June. Yeah, 80 in June. This is just streams though, right? Single channel, maybe from Asian London. You probably had runners in 53 in August. That was the same one on stream though. 84 in August. Yeah, 84 in August is like the last big runner, I guess. Yeah. Our biggest runner was 170, I think, which is gold. 168. Yeah, probably 160. That's crazy. Yo, who's she mad at? Oh, you guys pissed gold off. You hear that? Oh, that's crazy. That's cold. Time is news, 8:30. You get a haircut. Yo, Thanksgiving weekend this week, chat. Where are my Canadians at? We have Thanksgiving on Monday. I'll be here on Monday probably. Oh, wait, no. USD bank holiday too? Yes. 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 I don't gotta be No, that's perfect. Absolute perfect. No, that's perfect. I don't gotta. I can chill on Thanksgiving. No stream in the morning. What's Columbus Day? We have a Thanksgiving Day. I don't know why Thanksgiving in Canada and America are so off. It's like a month off, month and a half. The money making day on charts? Yeah. I'm gonna be at the rink. The hockey rink. Eyes on you. Wav. Yo, Wav, you been busy or something? What's up? What's up? Just hold on. You see how the heart is half? It's sad. Who broke his heart? You like hardstyle? No, I don't listen to hardstyle. Like, maybe like I hear like 1 or 2 songs, but I don't like listen to hardstyle religiously. It's too chaotic for me sometimes. It's good rave music, no? It's rave music, right? That's our rave. That's for Jimbo. He goes to a rave every weekend. You guys remember Jimbo? Shout out to Jimbo, man. He'll make his return again, don't worry. He always does. I changed my job. So you work what? You work during like the New York session? Tell him that you got stuff to do in the morning, you know? This is important. Being a moderator in this channel is important. Chat, I'm gonna try and get something for the mods for Christmas. I just gotta make sure before I get like any good presents for, like, because eventually I want to get like a DVS chain for like just like a nice DVS gold chain for every DVS mod, but I want to make sure these mods are active. Like some mods get modded and then they're gone next month. Like there's maybe like 3 or 4 like truly rare ones that come every stream, you know. There are mods like here and there. Might gotta change mods. Might gotta delete some mods. I haven't seen a lot of people in a while. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie. Kieran been putting a lot of work in. You know I'm here every day. AM. What does AM stand for? Austin Matthews? What up, Mark? Oh, Wix. What's going on? What's the deal?
What's the deal?
What's the fucking deal, bro?
Same shit, different toilet seat.
I like that.
Chat. How's everybody doing? How was hockey yesterday?
Fun.
You score?
Nope.
Yeah. Did you get an assist?
Nope.
Did you hurt anyone?
Me?
Yeah, did you hurt anyone?
No, I went to like just like a shoot around thing. There's no games. I just want to work on my skating and shit.
Was there a goalie?
Nah, it was just I was just skating around the rink. It's sick. It's like
still, it's fun.
It's only like $6 and it's like an empty rink. It's like you can rent a rink for like $100, offer your stuff, or you can get like a empty rink on a dead day like that.
How many people was there?
Like 4 in the whole rink, so everyone had their own corner just chilling. Yeah, on the net.
Nice.
Sick. I love Toronto for that.
It's pretty dope.
I don't.
I'll be on in 5 minutes.
Pardon?
I'll be on in 5 minutes.
Where you at?
I'm trying to make my kid meds. I'm trying to make my kids meds. Pouring some Mucinex into a cup. I'm pouring some Motrin into a cup right now. My daughter's up. The middle one was up all night coughing.
Damn.
It's crazy. She started kindergarten, so like every other week she comes back sick.
Coding crazy.
What?
Cough syrup.
Can't give that to a 4-year-old.
Cough syrup?
Yeah. I think you can start doing cough syrup at like 6 years old.
Oh. Yo, Wickstein cooking it up in the studio right now. In the lab. Science project. For my last trick. Imagine having a new toilet seat for every shit. You gotta be rich or something. Not even the riches have that. At some point. Hey, no ball wick on gold. You love to see it, man. You love to see it. GJ, how we gonna close here? Bullish? Huh? Weak bullish? Yeah. Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. I can become a mod. I called you gorgeous a couple streams back. I guess that would make me eligible to become a mod. You gotta join a stream every day. You gotta be consistent. Yeah, you have to be here to answer questions from others in the chat. Like you have to be able to help out the community in the Discord or on the YouTube chat, right? You just gotta be active. I want to check something real quick. Where's the rank in that? What's the rank at? In Discord. Whoa! Arsa's #1. Whoa, yo, what you be doing? God damn. Yo, where is JXTR, by the way? I hope he's all good, man. I think he's still good though, cause I see a story. He was chilling today. He was vibing out, but yo, not gonna lie, Arsa's very active in the Discord. He joined Discord in March. Yeah, he joined recently. He's an overtrader. That's why he is. Doesn't count. He's an overtrader. Let's see. Who's number 100? Oh, that's crazy. That is crazy. The world works in that is crazy. Wickstein, y'all see this? That's crazy. That is insane. Only the real ones know here. That is insane. I'm like, yo, who's number 100? That's crazy. Badger 104. The fact, yo, pray for the fact. Where you at? Let's see if I know anyone. Keep going down the list. Who's number 200? Shield. I know Shield. Yeah, I know a lot of these people. I know a lot of my people in the Discord. They all like look familiar. Their usernames. Kyle should not be here, man. I'm gonna reset his XP. There should be a thing where if you get banned 3 times, your XP gets resetted. Who's last? There's like 12,000 members. I don't know. I don't want to do all of that. Let's go. What's this 30-minute respect in here? Not much. His is 7, right, chat? Yeah, his is 7th. Young Gorilla, a new familiar rap. Who? Ice Spice? Dollars for you? What up, Paul? Paul Wall. What's going on? Nah, I think I've heard Gorilla before. Yeah, I've heard. Is she from New York or something? New York, right? Oh. Guys, heard a new Yachty thing? Yeah. How's it go? Hajun, who's here every day? I read chat. Like if I see your name often, I know you're here every day. Like Kay's here every day. Brown Boy's here every day. Can's here every day. Paul's here every day. Tanolia, maybe like 8 out of 10 days. Nav, 9.5 out of 10 days. K, I mean, yeah, 10 out of 10 days. Paul, maybe like 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10. Circle, 10 out of 10 days. KFC manager, maybe like 8 out of 10 days. You come here often. You're every day not in chat too much? Yeah, a lot of people, there's 500 people here. There's maybe like 100 people chat, which is fine. I'm a shy guy too, you know? Most of you don't talk and stream? Well, yeah, I mean, here's the thing though. Here's how I see it. Like, it's like a free stream. If you, I mean, it's a free stream. You have to take advantage, right? I think it'll be better. It'll be best for you if you just ask all the questions you need to ask. Cause it's free, right? Like, where else can you learn live and get your your questions answered right away? Aside from it's from a streams. And it's all free too. You don't gotta pay for like a one-on-one mentorship or anything, right? You can't just get it all done here for free. You hear every day, don't comment. I believe you, yeah. I don't stream second here for real. What makes you say that? Next vlog, I still haven't sent footage to Broly. I gotta get that together. It's a lot of footage. It's like it goes back to the weekend Post Malone concert, so that was weeks ago. Some of y'all need a vacation. Yeah, I need a vacation. I'm going to New York, so that's my next vacation. I always go to New York in October. I don't know why. Every year I go on vacation in October. Like the year before it was New York, and then last year it was Vancouver. So I'm always doing something in October. Japan's open. Yeah, I know. I want to go too. I wanted to go for January, but yeah, I want to go to Japan real bad. Japan vlog, it's gonna be fire. I'll go Korea and Japan. I want to travel Asia again. Why New York? Because I like New York. New York's one of my favorite cities. I've been there like maybe 4 times. I want to go to Houston. See what's up there. I want to check out Houston. I want to go to Edmonton or Alberta, not Edmonton, Alberta. I think Alberta's on a come up. The eye breathe the ultra light beam. Alrighty. Wanna go island? No, I already went to Dominican this year. I just want to chill out in New York. Maybe I might go to another island maybe next year probably. What's this gold 30-minute count doing here? This is looking interesting. Third minute broke the highs, flipping bearish. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's just right at the support here to the left. So, and GJ has not moved this whole like for the past 15 minutes, for the past 30 minutes here. It's been hovering here. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to wait for the 1 hour count chat at this point. You can still get the fake out. Don't get me wrong. You just gotta close below first, right? But to be honest, man, like I would have rathered us close below on this candle. Would have been a lot cleaner. Because you close below here on this candle, right? You have all this range going down towards the support. Or, you know, sorry, what am I saying? The first initial candle is one that's breaking back into the range, right? But I mean, this is fun as well. Not too bad. But again, ADM. And I'm okay with taking GJ trades at 8. But gold, since you have NFP, we're going to have to cut it. And wait for 9 probably for gold. You know what we're gonna add to the spreadsheet next year? Probably like a set. I don't know, but we're gonna have a chart. We can add a chart. No, yeah, we still got. I think in December chat we're gonna be our last day on stream probably. We're gonna probably add analyze this to be honest and see how the year ended off. See what we can work on for next year and we can improve on. But so far pretty solid, man. Like, I don't think that there's any other streamer out there that has like a spreadsheet with all the trades on stream. Extreme trades, right? I mean, I count some different, right? Obviously, but like extreme trades that like everyone in the community and like watching the stream could also take and follow along with. Because if you're here from January, we caught every trade with us. this year. And yeah, like we can definitely improve on a lot of stuff here, man. A lot. What needs to be improved probably next year is the previous higher low. Like, look at that. It's only 52%. There's something about the previous higher low compared to current. Like, look at the difference from the current to the previous higher low. The current is like equivalent to the flip, but then the previous higher low is a lot lower. The breakout is pretty decent. I mean, 146 trades. That was the majority of our trades. Fake outs pretty decent. Onions pretty decent. 1 hour time from 30 time from is 85%, pretty decent. 1 hour is 71. 4 hours isn't bad. It's 61 with 40 trades, over 25 trades only. Look at this. Onions 100% this year in a 1 hour. That's insane. Fake out, pretty decent. Yeah, we don't need the 5 minute. We haven't taken one 5 minute trade this year. But yeah, I gotta talk to Broly. Not Broly, Badger. And cook it up. What was this flip give you, chat? 17. Not bad. How do you add the pairs? Can you add more to the spreadsheet? You go to see I wanna upgrade a spreadsheet. I wanna change it the colorway with it and make it more functional for new users. Like, you see how the spreadsheet for the sample sizing one looks like this? Oops, that's not it. It looks a lot easier to use, right? It looks more user friendly. We're trying to make it like this next year probably. But Badger would probably do this for us. Pretty similar to this, but pretty dope. Same colorway probably. Shout to K. But yeah, it's pretty easy. On a current spreadsheet, you gotta go how you do it again? You gotta go on wait, chat, what spreadsheet is public right now? Is it the journal? Is it this one, or like, how does it look? Is it the stream one, or is it this type of spreadsheet? I think it's like this, right? I think it's like this. Yeah. So I think you go on pairs, right click, view more cells the way at the bottom, and then go on wait, no, that's not it. How do you do it again? More cells, data validation, and then go down to so right click, more cells, data validation, and then go to the list and add like put a comma and then put whatever pair. So let's say US30, right? 30, and then save, and drop down. It has US30 here. All right. But that is how you work the spreadsheet. What up, Wix?
How you doing?
Excuse me.
I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA.
I'm not gonna lie, Wix. My mix this morning was insane.
Damn it. Did it have Kendrick in it?
Huh?
Did it have Kendrick in it?
Yeah.
Which song? Swimming pools?
No, I didn't have Kendrick in it. I had Jay-Z and shit. Yeah, what's your you won Asian last night, right?
Yeah.
What'd you ask Cat? 15?
16 pips.
Oh, I was sleeping through Asian. I slept from like 6.
Oh, I was telling them the art hockey.
Nah, I just knocked. Woke up at like, I think 12 and then went back to bed.
Luke's about to put a 10 lot during NFP. No, I do 10 lots like that. When it's NFP, I do 0 lots.
Nothing bad.
You can just right click on my name and go to my channel. Or right click on those 3 little dots next to my name. Yeah, we're on a nice winning streak. We went 3-0 last week, 3-0 this week, 3-0 the week before that. We had 3, no, I think we're 3 or 4 weeks without a loss.
Meanwhile, NY session has been friendly. It's not that it hasn't been friendly, it's just that it's been after my, it's been like late, like 10. So. Wix's channel, Wixnan. The chat, can we do extra point Discord and chat and then ping it? Or pin it?
Is it possible to get your Nightbot on my stream?
No. You gotta make your own Nightbot.
No, I mean like I have to redo like all the commands and everything.
Yeah.
Stupid Nightbot. Nightbot more consistent than anyone here.
Never late.
Never misses a stream. Never late. Never out of pocket.
Oh no.
Chad, who else makes filters out of the actual box that they bought the papers in? That's what my raw box looks like right now.
Why y'all always talking about weed?
It's not Levi. What you mean? I can be rolling tobacco. You don't know. Maybe I bought some flavored tobacco.
Talking about that guy that says every day. Why y'all always talk about?
I don't.
Now, what was the intro artist? It was plenty of songs. Plenty of songs. Let's go back to Shazam all of them, to be honest. Where's the spreadsheet located? Exclamation point journal. Depends what, or if you want, there's 3 of them. So just go on our controlfx.com website. You might as well get the playbook as well for free. Pick that up and then pick the journal up. Just gotta sign up, free charge. Insert your email and you'll have access to it, right?
Bro, with the papers, the filters already in the pack. Yeah, me too. But if I ran out of filters, what do I do? What do I use for filter? I use the actual box. Search the Discord. Can't find link to these performance charts.
Exclamation point journal in the chat. Or go on controlfx.com, go to free journal, and then they'll have links here.
Mohammed, you trolling? That's like 3 times you asked that.
It's Wix time, Mohammed. My guy.
Yeah, let me chat. Let me say something. Now, right click next to my name or on the 3 dots. Don't right click and go to channel. I'm like Cabby, the guy that goes,
I got 500 viewers. They'll come back. Don't worry.
it is fake shit.
Man, I was itchy today, man.
You're itchy?
Yo, no stream Monday. Next week's a short week, guys. So
Why?
there's a bank holiday for US. And I got Thanksgiving in Canada, so
Stupid holidays. It's holiday season right now. Like, we're gonna have like a long weekend every other weekend.
I don't know what you're talking about. I ain't got a long weekend until like there's no other hot weekend in October.
Yeah, because you guys barely have any holidays in Canada. In America, we celebrate everything.
No, the next holiday you guys have is
We literally celebrate everything.
y'all don't got a holiday Thanksgiving, right? Yeah, you guys have Monday and then Monday and then you guys have
See, the United States has a really large Jewish population, and every Jewish holiday is celebrated.
the Jewish holiday, yeah.
Every Jewish holiday is celebrated. So it's like, yeah, maybe the banks won't close, but school ain't fucking open. No, we
Honestly, well, when you're an FX trader, man, holidays aren't like it isn't that.
Word. When you're an FX trader, you look forward to the next work day.
It's just yeah.
Like if we could go Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, I'd be cool with it.
Like every day is a holiday basically. You can just not trade tomorrow. You'll be fine. Take a day off, right? Enjoy your time.
Have you ever tried Timmy's? You mean Tim Hortons? No. Stronger. I can't wait much longer. That's how long I've been. Faster, stronger. Don't act like we never told you. All right, chat. We're gonna take a trip down the fun lane. Who wants to come with me? Anyone? Who wants to come with me and see how deep the rabbit hole goes? Siren. Real one. I'll join. I'll join. About to pack and smoke a bowl. Nice. Waiting on this little fake out. Hold on. So you slept in the evening just to wake up and be up all night to trade?
I didn't trade last night. No, I was up.
What was that?
Well,
signal?
I did trade last night, but like I didn't stay up to trade. Like, I was just up. Yeah.
How'd you guys do on the trade? It didn't show.
It was gold. Small. It was a gold loss.
Loss? How did you guys get lost?
How he took a loss? Took a loss. I'm trying to do something right now.
I was 100% sure you guys took a W.
No, I took GJ at 2 afterwards.
Yo, I showed my girl that 40-minute performance with nothing but this song. Yo, she was dying laughing. Troll level 1,000. George. Game 6. Rollies that on TikTok. Would I escape? You being Paris getting fucked up too. Muhammad. I'm not on YouTube. You have to go.
Brother Muhammad, my guy, my fucking guy. His channel is Wix9, okay? Search up Wix9 on YouTube. You ask this question 60 times, bro. You're gonna get banned. You know? You ask 60 times, my guy. Like, you gotta open up your eyes and read the chat. Or not read the chat. Yeah, listen. Stop playing Fortnite. Put the controller down. And listen. Okay? You know? Cause, bruh, you asked that question 60 times. 60 times. Like, but like, okay, let's say I didn't answer. Let's say I didn't answer. Why can't you just search up Wix9? You asked the question. What's Wix9's channel? My guy, Wix9. Nah, bro. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, this this entry is screwed.
I can see the question coming on again.
I think he wants to know which line's channel. No, if I see that question one more time, you're getting banned. Perma banned. I'm trying to fucking transfer this.
From a band. Where's that from? Where he's like, ooh, say this shit one more time. Say this shit one more time. I dare you. Where's the shit from? Say this shit one more time. He gonna be scared to type anything now?
He's probably traumatized. He's like, I'm sorry.
It'd be funny if he was like, oh, I got it. I found it. Thanks, I found it. Pulp Fiction, right? Yeah, that was from Pulp Fiction, and then the dude Pinky from Next Friday. Oh, you guys are right. It was both of them. I actually saw Pulp Fiction yesterday again.
You watched the movie again yesterday?
Yeah, it's yo, it's a great fucking movie.
I think I watched that movie like 1.5 times. I watched it in school. We did an assignment on it.
He said, he came in the house and said, this is some serious gourmet shit. Hamburger's the cornerstone of any nutritious breakfast. Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfuckers. Say what one more goddamn time. The great movie.
Are you gonna trade on non-farm payroll? My bad, chat. This is at FOREX stream. I feel like we haven't talked about FOREX for the last 30 minutes. No, yes, we are trading NFP. However, we're not gonna be trading news. We're not gonna have buy sell self stops. We'll be trading the aftermath of NFP. So from 8:30 to 9, and then from 9:15 to 10,
Hey, W. Muhammad, he found the channel.
Fuck, I think he spent the whole stream finding that channel. I feel bad.
He said, yo, you just gained a new subscriber after all that. They jumped him in.
Yo, what time are you gonna dip off? Are you dipping off today?
Yeah, it's gonna be like in a few minutes, but today's gonna be a really quick dip. I'm only taking one of the kids because the other kids are all sick.
Oh wait, they go to different schools?
Yeah. Different grades, different schools. The thing is, their schools are across the street from each other, so I'm kind of like opening the right door for one kid, opening the left door for the other kid. And the baby's like sitting in the middle going, what about me? I want to go. What about me? I'm like, shut up, you're a baby. You're riding with me. Riding with dad. Chain away. Your fame away. Wix is funny as hell. Well, that's why I'm here. I'm here to educate and entertain. The 2 E's. Double E. Wix, what kind of baby do you have? I don't know. She's you know,
human.
she's 3 feet 4 inches of pure fucking sarcasm. Like, chat, like, if you want to argue with a little mini version of yourself for the rest of your life, just have a daughter. I swear, it's like a little mini me that argues with me about everything. And I'm like, that's my thing. That's what I do. It's taking away my thing, y'all. You sound like your baby's a Stewie kind of baby. She is. I swear, I know when I walk away, she's probably taking out her cell phone, making business deals. Talking to the neighbor's dog and shit. Yeah, she's a little fucking thumb-sucking, diaper-wearing, I don't know, terrorist. She's a little terrorist. Make a son, Wix? No, I can't. I'm a fucking. I only make diamonds, baby. In the form of girls. I can't. I can only make girls. Like, I got 3 daughters. Like, chances are I try for the 4th one, and I'm gonna have twins, 2 girls. You know, like. So we're done at this point, I think. But let me know, y'all. If you need a daughter, let me know. I can't miss. Anybody needs a girl, I can't miss. Diaper companies making huge profit. Oh yeah,
Wait, what do you mean by that? What do you mean
What?
if you need a daughter? What do you mean by that?
Well, if you need a girl, like, I only make girls. So let me know. I make you a girl.
Alright. All the ladies in the chat.
You guys need a daughter. Let me know.
Let's tell Wix on an e-date. Let's do a Wix on e-date.
Word. Educate, entertain, and e-date. Warren said, me, Wix, me. I need a daughter. And what is it called when you donate your sperm? I'm gonna listen to Ballin's idea and just chill out. Are you buying or selling gold? We're ranging gold.
There we go. First FX question you came across.
Incredible. I love it. Yeah, but gold has done absolutely nada
Chat, keep asking FX questions because I'm doing some stuff right now, and I need Wix to hear. I need Wix here to take advantage.
Shameless Asian plug. Chat. Asian session 8 to 10 p.m. every day except Friday. Do not be there. Be out and about, enjoying your Asian session profits from this week. Right? Make them feel real. Grab a withdrawal, go get yourself a beer and be like, holy shit, FOREX just bought me a beer, or whatever it is. Buy yourself beer, Birkin bag, whatever you want to do. And just, you know, make this shit feel real. Don't make it feel like it's only out there in the computer world, right? It's very motivating when you get a withdrawal and go buy something with it. It's very, very refreshing. It's like it's a different feeling than just using your work money.
Man.
Which girls that manage their OF look state in the ability. Girls have no life in my country. More than 20 girls last since 15 days ago. They prefer to be boy, unfortunately. The fuck are you saying? Can only buy coffee with my yearly profits. Do you withdraw to your? Yeah, I withdraw to my company, and then that company pays another company, and I own both companies, and that's how it works for me. I live in here, fucking Iran. You got good connection, right? Good internet. There's a plus. Start off with that. Start trading and start selling feed pics. Start selling pictures of your breakdowns. How do you set that up with your broker to withdraw to the LLC? When I opened my account with the brokerage, I sent them an email asking them to change the company, my account from a personal account to a business account, right? And then the broker will probably ask you for your like articles of incorporation or stuff like that. Once you prove that, then I don't see any broker having an issue with that. Yo, chat, drop a like and subscribe, because yeah,
yes, sir.
I keep forgetting to drop a like until like way into the stream if somebody doesn't remind me.
My fault, chat. I'm just kind of trying to figure some shit out right now. So, in case you guys are wondering why I'm not really talking right now.
I had to stream twice yesterday, you know? My OBS froze right as I started the stream, first 15 minutes.
Oh yeah, I saw. It was like a 10-minute stream, right?
Yeah, it was just OBS was frozen. Like I don't know how. Couldn't fix it. It was weird. It sucked because I had to restart. I already had 100 viewers in the first 10 minutes, and I had to restart, and it took like 20 minutes to get back to 100. What's for breakfast, Wix? These gains, baby, these gains. Sometimes we cry.
Thanks. Slow down. Damn. Got 15 minutes
Already?
left.
Oh, I'm gonna be watching this from the car. Damn it. All right, Green, hit him with the disclaimer. I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. Time me. Time me.
Yes, he's finally gone, chat.
Chia. That's funny. Who remembers Chia Pets? You ever had a Chia Pet? Don, you ever had a Chia Pet?
Chia seeds?
No, Chia Pet.
Oh yeah, I think I have. Yeah, with the kid. The little things that
Yeah.
grow. Yeah.
Yeah. Pour some water on it. It's like.
Why you put change by dollar? I just put pips because like we calculate pips before we even had a spreadsheet. I don't know, maybe next year we'll change it, but I don't think I'll ever do dollar. I'll add a section for a percentage. Like we'll add a percentage side to it. But adding a dollar amount to it, I don't know, that wouldn't make sense. It's like I'm trying to make a spreadsheet so you guys could compare, right? You can't compare dollar amount. Everyone has a different relationship to money. Like someone's $1,000 is someone's penny, someone else, who knows, right? Someone's 100K is someone's dollar. Like everyone's relationship to money is different, but everyone's percentages is the same. Someone's 5% is someone else's 5%. It's 10% is 10%, right? Percentage doesn't change, so that's where we're adding percentage next year. Pips, you could relate to pips too, I guess, right? But percentage is a bit more accurate in terms of account growth. Damn, how did gold close here? Bearish respecting? Oh man. You know what's crazy about this? Because the candle that we wanted to enter off of was this candle, right? Or 30 earlier, if it were to close above, but it didn't. But if this one closes above and doesn't have a bottom wick, then it's like we can't even enter. Because earlier I had a bottom wick, it was a nice bottom wick too, it was perfect. A closure above would have been it, but if you get 30 closure this time, we can't take it because there's no bottom wick. And if it drives, it drives. Which kind of sucks, but you do have news though at the same time. So let's see. Gold's gonna be very interesting here, man. Like they're expecting good numbers, right? No, sorry, bad numbers. But the news can come out the total opposite. No, it's been bad numbers. Sorry, they're expecting bad numbers, but news can come out the total opposite and come out good. If it does come out good, better than expected, like 251 and whatever, then expect a lot of volume. Expect a huge drop too if that were to happen. Price action shows that we should continue down today. But on the other hand, you have news in a way too. Too long. Your accent's like British. I need a translator. I mean, that's a you problem. Everyone hears me fine. Pips and Pips doesn't have a lot of pain, but in dollar it does. I mean, it's the same thing. If you gotta translate it, right? Eventually. I mean, you got like eventually you're gonna see your at the end of the day you're gonna see your what's it called again? Your statement for the day. And it's gonna show how much you lost, how much you made in dollars, anyways. For us to have a toast. Is your Spotify playlist on your Discord? Yeah, it's in the Nightbot too. Our Switch Point playlist. A link should pop up. Eight minutes. I made it. Leave with it. Man, NPDs are so boring. I don't know. If you trade news, like it's obviously like you get the adrenaline rush, but like, I don't trade news, right? So it's just very boring for me to just sit here. But it's trading. You gotta sit through these times. I wish we can just like skip to the next candle. So you know how on a simulation you kind of just forward to the next candle? I wish we can do that. Imagine. Gamba. Who's on gamble today, chat? How many of you guys got buy stuff, sell stops here? I know damn well all you guys got buy stuff, sell stops. I see you guys. For March and sells? Me too, man. Me too. Me too. Saw gold? I mean, you can do so. I'm not really interested. I mean, even if we're expecting, you know, go a drive down here, like we gotta wait till 9 anyways, or I gotta wait till 9. Like I'm not taking any positions here until 9. I can care less if it drops 100 pips on news here. But yo, chat, if numbers do come out lower than expected, expect a huge push today. Like they're expecting 248, right? But if numbers come out less, or sorry, above positive, expect a lot of volume today. Yeah, they're expecting lower, but I mean, I'm honestly just grateful that we can break out this range today, to be honest. Like, as long as you break out this range, we'll be good. Because I don't like this range. We've been ranging here for a past like 3-4 days. Now, if you put a buy stop, a sell stop, say, where would you put it? You see? You see? If I were to put a buy stop and sell stop, I'll just put the sell stop like somewhere here, probably. I'll put it like below 1705. But I'm not. Okay? We're not gonna do that. But that's what I'll do. Because if you know that if it breaks below 1705 today, you can probably pop down towards here. Yeah, the reason I don't trade news chat, like for those that are new here in the streams, is just because there's so many like things that can come in the way, such as slippage, whipsaws, and I don't want to be part of any of that, to be honest. I'd rather just be clean on it, right? Take positions that I normally take. But I do get, like, if you want to go trade news with a smaller lot size, that's not a bad idea at all. Like, you just want to play around, yeah, go ahead. You know, let's say your regular lot size is 20, pop a one lot. Won't make a difference in your account, but at least it's fun. Technically, it's not really gambling though. Like, it's not really gambling because it's more of like you're using technical analysis in your favor, right? So it's not like a 50-50. It's probably like a 60-40, depending on the setup, the trade, right? So it's like, it's not really gambling, but to me, since I have no experience trading, well, I do have experience trading news, sorry, I take that back, but since I don't trade news, I have no sample size data on news. So like, if I trade news one day, I'm gonna need to spend some time on it first. Spend time sample sizing it first. Find a way where technicals will make sense with fundamentals, right? Do I know? Flashing. Nice. Put one lot down so you're not bored. Let's put a 0.01 lot. Imagine I put a 0.01 lot. We get slipped like 300 pips or 1500 pips. Next thing you know, the spreadsheet shows negative 1500 pips. It's like, yo, Don, you took a 1500 pip loss. Meanwhile, it was a 0.01 lot. Imagine. All that work gone. Like, yeah. Yeah, I think if I were to trade news one day, chat, we might have news on a different spreadsheet or something. News like swing trades like on a different spreadsheet. It just doesn't make sense to have on the same spreadsheet, right? Grab popcorn? Yeah, I should. Oh, I'm excited here. I want to see what happens. Marco's like, here comes the buys. Four seconds. Who's gambling? Need some music for this. Will gold touch the sky today? What's your spread? 4 pips on gold, 5. 1 pip on GJ. Oh, okay. 9, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1, and slippage. Oh, nice. So the stop loss would have been activated for us. The one that someone asked about. Let's see how it would have played out though. Should continue to drive down here towards like 69.5. That is perfect. News numbers came out as expected, right? The thing about news chat, like someone asked earlier, like where would I have like the positions at? Like, I never really understood the point of having like buy stops and sell stops. Like I'll just stick to the buys and have the one sell stop, to be honest. Yeah, this is perfect now because I mean GJ faked out, right? Definitely faked back into the range here. The 4H flipped. You see how the 4H flipped earlier? And this is what I mentioned. That was I guess you can see the fake out. And then we came down to fill the range. Pretty clean. Nice. Damn, I didn't want us to really flip bearish. I wanted us to flip bearish after the 4H close, but because that was very clean, right? Because look, if the 4 hour candle on GJ here was like respecting this resistance, right? It was below the whole day, below that range, the whole 4H candle. If it flips bearish, there's nowhere else to go really but down, right? Because it's just now creating like a resistance here and then support. This is the range we're in. Not bad. Yeah, slipped 30 pips. Yeah, slipped. Really? I feel like today's news wouldn't have gotten you slipped because it didn't move as much. Like it moved slowly, and you would have been activated slowly within it, and then it pushed down after. Unless like you had a self stop like here or something, that's a different story. That would have got slipped maybe. But if you had a self stop here, where I said, it would have just slowly came down and got you in the blues. Yeah, no slippage, right? Yeah, it wasn't as crazy today. That's good though. Pretty steady news. I think everyone made profits, I'm pretty sure, today, right? Even if you had buy stops and sell stops, you've been solid. So good shit. It's gonna go down. Well, we gotta see. If it closes below, it should continue to drive down. Yeah. Pretty good day though. And the 1 hour closes below in 26 minutes here. We have all clean traffic towards 69.5. We'll take that. I really want to GG though. Even US30 drove down. Everything drove down. You might get a wick fill for GJ, so that wouldn't be too bad. A wick fill on a 1 hour, maybe. Lamborghini Mercy, your chick, she's so thirsty. Trying to jerk me. Just blew my account? That's alright. I mean, if you blew your account, I mean, at least now you know why you blew your account. The thing is, like, that right there might have not been enough for you to stop, though. Because you're gonna say, well, maybe next time I can trade news again and it can work out. Sorry, chat. Our channel's pretty boring when it comes to news, to be honest. We don't gamble. But honestly, I'd rather be boring, safe than sorry. You know, on news. All good numbers. Yeah. Wow. So that's perfect. What's the deal?
What's the deal?
You're back already? Holy shit, that was quick. You missed news though, but
yeah, but I don't think it's gonna be a quick one today.
I don't think you care for news, right?
we do not care. Come on now, Cam. There you go. Never trading news again. What happened? Who traded news here?
Us. Someone asked about the sauces earlier. We would have got it. Yo, I just realized, like, so like, you know how earlier we gave that, like, well, someone asked about the sell stop, right? It really matters where you place it too, because if you place it, like, let's say here, for instance, right? Like on a flip or whatever, you would have got slipped. Whereas you placed it like where we kind of, like here, you wouldn't have gotten slipped. So like that matters too, like where you kind of place the sell stop. Because by the time it came down here, it started to like move down slowly already. But that's the thing though, like you can't really predict, like, is news gonna drop heavy off the rip or is it gonna drop slowly, right? So that's another thing, and that's why like we don't really touch it, but that stuff matters.
Yeah, but you also want the move to move a little before you enter because you want to see confirmation of that direction, right?
Or you just, yeah, manually execute. But
so, yeah, but where do you place it? It's so arbitrary.
You can also have those days where like news come out and it's just like it just teleports, right? It doesn't even like move like that.
But do you place it closer to price and already close out by the time most people are taking their position, or do you take it further away from price after you get a confirmation that it's going that direction? Like, you know, it's so arbitrary with news because what are your confirmations with price? There's no price confirmations. It's just erratic movement, you know, based off.
You know what's better? The 1 hour closure below gladiator candle.
Yeah, that would not be arbitrary. That would make sense. That would be based.
That's on logic.
On logic, exactly. That would be based in logic.
It's logic. The lights. Extra bright. I want y'all to see this. In here, baby. See all the day. I want you to see all the lights.
What's your solution for getting out of a win trade before it touches TP? I have this problem and doesn't let the account grow well. Well, don't close your full position. You utilize advantage points. Trust your analysis. There's so many things. There's so many reasons why you might be closing. What are you seeing? Are you seeing something that shouldn't be a part of any variables that decide whether the trade goes or doesn't? What's telling you to close out? Is it a hunch? Is it a intuition? What is it? Is it like, oh, enough pips already? Yeah, but like fear, great fear. But what's telling you? What is there an actual tangible, physical, tangible thing telling you to close out? Got to be something in the market. My conditions were filled, so that was your plan. So you need to change your plan, right? That was your conditions were filled, you exited, right? But you need to change your plan then if you're not getting enough. If you're seeing your plays run, update it. Don't change it. Update it. Optimize it. You know, sample size it. Do it your way and do it another way, like half and half. Half position, like that. Do it for a month, for 3 months, for half a year. Otherwise, you'll never know what the result for the other way is, right? Only targeted. Like I don't know. I don't know what the issue is then. If that's all you targeted, you stuck to your plan. So I would say good thing, good shit, right?
Yeah. As long as you stuck to your plan, you're a winner. It doesn't matter if you take a loss or a win. Like, it doesn't matter what the result was. Like, sticking to your plan is a win in general. You didn't break any rules. You won. Right?
What I see people do a lot is they'll sit through 20, 30 pips of drawdown just to close at 5 pips in profit when it comes back there, right? And they're letting, that's when you're starting to let the money value impact you, right? Affect your decision making. And it shouldn't, like, nothing should affect your decision making except
price action
printed. Exactly. That's whatever's starting to print, whatever levels are printed. It's just, once you're letting those things and emotions impact your decisions, then you've already lost. You might as well get the fuck out that trade, get off the market. You lost, right? The market has manipulated you into doing something that didn't make sense. So you don't want to be manipulated by the market. You want to be the one in charge. And I say if you're doing that and you're manipulated, get off the charts, you know, and start coming up with a new plan, new analysis, new way to approach the charts. Or, you know, let your trade play out. If you were in drawdown just to wait to get out and you know, in 5 pips profit, is there a reason behind it? No. There's got to be a reason for why you're getting out. Oh, because it can. Previously, I saw a candle reject here and it drove the other way. But if previously you saw a candle keep going here and you're rejecting at the moment, no, trust what happened before. Maybe you're rejecting at the moment just to drive like it did before. Trust the technical analysis. Trust what's happened historically with price. If you've seen this happen before, chances are, you know, it's going to happen again. So even if you're seeing something else play out, but you've seen it play out differently before, just let it play out.
Good wisdom.
Stop talking about me like that. I didn't say anything bad though. Like, this is something we can all do. We should all do.
They said stop talking about me like that. What was the question? What was the original question from that?
The original question was, keeps closing his trades early, right? When they could have ran.
But then they were all human. Like, as much as you try to follow a price action, you'll have, like, every now and then. I have it myself too, like every now and then where, like, it happens to me, but not often. Like, maybe like once every blue moon it does happen. Right.
And then you catch yourself. I've had that happen and I'm catching myself going like, what the fuck are you doing?
Even like like every now and then you'll have that one kind of off trade or off day. It's like fun.
Every once in a while, I agree with that. No, every once in a while, I'll be staring at charts, don't doubt, and my levels will be not just because like you're not perfect, you're not ideal, and every once in a while you're gonna be like, holy shit, how the fuck did I not see this? Is you know, I'm so confident in myself. I typically don't double check myself or don't, you know, back up and make sure, because I'm the type of person, like, I have OCD. I have to make sure everything's on point. But I'm just so confident in my trading. I don't back up and like I seen it. I'm keep going. Next thing, boom. I've analyzed this. Keep going. But there comes times where that's not good, and you need to reanalyze and step back, and you have to consciously keep that in mind and always, you know, be like, nah, humble yourself and be like, nah, let me take a step back. Let me see. Maybe something was off. That's why it's good to have a routine of refreshing. Like, you know how Don refreshes the chart, 4-hour close, boom, he refreshes the chart and redoes his analysis, because it's good to redo it. There are times where you can miss things, and you have to be, you know, I'm so confident in myself that I typically don't go back, and it's something I have to teach myself. Hey, no, let's reanalyze, not because I could have made a mistake, but it's good practice to reanalyze. And go, because there's new levels printed all the time. There's new info, right? Every 15 minutes, every 5 minutes, every 30 minutes, there's new info. 4-hour close, big close. Good to reanalyze and make it a habit, not because you're not confident, but because if you make that a habit, once in a while, you'll catch yourself where you're like, oh, yeah, this could be better like this. Like proofreading.
Proofreading. Two things are happening here, guys. 15 no bottom wick. Could either pull back price, because you can drive, right, but you can still close bullish for the 4-hour wick fill. Or 2, you drive down and you get closures below 16.95. It doesn't matter, honestly. I would prefer both. Both are fine. You have clean traffic here, so you have this whole range here, and if price doesn't break back in that range and it breaks back below here, then you have this range below here instead. It's all clean traffic, right? So both of these are just completely clean. Both ranges.
Pull back.
Obviously, the pullback will be more ideal because you'll have smaller stops, maybe. But if you close below, it's fine as well. I mean, you can't not like a closure below. The problem is though, yeah, like the problem is though, is if you drive all the way down before you close or something, right, for a day. But
I think it should. It only makes sense for the rest of the candles to start coming down.
Yeah, where's the guy that says 1730 today? He spammed it 3 times this morning. I saw him, but I didn't want to say anything. I want people to trust their analysis, but man, if it's your first day here, you can't come here spamming a number with no analysis. You're just spamming.
Go to some black forces, shake my head, and get back in the gym, right?
Damn, that's crazy. Yo, Carlton Bass.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pray for the account. Told you buys, telling you go buys. Yeah, it was this guy, I think. Urkan. How you pronounce that, Wix? Urkan.
No, you got it right.
Urkan.
Urkan buy gold.
Urkan.
Carlton just ordered some black Air Forces.
No, it was this guy. Sorry, it was this guy, I think. So he was just yelling at like targets earlier. I have a lot of proof, chat. You can't hide. Let's see. Let me read logs. Let's see what Can says in the chat.
Who?
Can.
He's like, no, don't do it. Con. It's not Can. Con.
Con. Sorry. You know what's so crazy about Con? I usually don't remember this, but I remember the exact time when he joined the streams for the first time. I remember because he came as a new trader. He was completely new. Remember, like 3 months ago, it was like June. He came when he was new, and he was asking like dumb, like I don't say dumb questions, but like beginner questions, right? And now like you learn a lot.
3 months, yeah, you get in tune real quick.
Bruh. Holy shit.
Why do I not like that? Holy shit.
Quick, check your phone.
Bro. Stop playing games.
Alright. Check your phone. Next person. Holy fuck. That's incredible.
Yo, chat. Check your phones. Everybody, check your phones right now. What you guys want to see something here? This is yeah.
No, don't show him. Don't show him, man.
Here.
Actual rigged.
Thank you, Focus, for that one.
Everyone's like, yo, buy gold, it's at support now. Hold your horses, man, because look at the daily time from now. For all we know today, 16.79 is possible. 7.5. Like, you have all these ranges today. All clean. I've come to the conclusion since I started trading that the first 2 weeks of the month are slow. I think due to the markets are waiting for major news. Yeah. Some months you might have that where the beginning of the month is usually dry and dead, and then midway you pick up because you need a catalyst to move price, and a catalyst usually come with the news folders, right? So then you have like NFP, you have sorry, not NFP, that's the end of the month. You have like you have CPI, right? What else do you have?
FOMC.
FOMC. That's every month. PMI, PPI, you know, all those folders, consumer unemployment claims, stuff like that, right? Mid-month.
Maybe
but
a JP speech.
I'll say, like, when you don't move for the whole month, like for example, like October so far, like usually you'll pick up the second week too. Like next week we should get continuation of price from the NFP, because NFP was a catalyst, and now we should get a continuation for tomorrow. Y'all quiet as hell. What you mean? We're waiting for his closure here, chat. 9 a.m. Okay. We should get a continuation here. It should be a pretty clean day for here. Pretty straightforward. So hold your horses. It's a pretty good NFP day today. News like directly may have not been like the greatest, but this should continue down. It depends on where it closes. Don't sound go? No, I got no positions. This account got no positions. This account, no, I got nothing here. Love you too, bro. Every day you come, you say that. Appreciate it, man. We love you too. I love everyone in chat. Without you guys, this channel would not be here. If it wasn't for you guys supporting, we wouldn't be, you know, streaming to such a big audience. So I was grateful for sure. Wait, check your iPhone. I should check it after. It doesn't matter. Anyway, I don't know why you can't just use the iPhone, bro. Like, are you ever gonna switch? Like, have you ever thought about switching fully or not?
Nah. I'm an Android guy. I like that much better. But the iPhone I need for shit like FaceTime and iMessage and like all this shit. Yo, I also need to find where the fucking iPhone is at. Can somebody call my iPhone? Yeah, somebody dial my iPhone.
You see, on the iPhone, you can say, "Hey Siri," and it'll say yes, and it'll pop up.
Hold on.
Who you want to message?
Hey Siri.
Nah, that bitch
Is
ignoring
gold
me.
a buy or sell today? All right, how about this? Heads, gold goes down today. Tails, gold goes up. Hey Siri. Head or tails? It says it's tails. What did I say for tails again? Oh, it's tails, right? The Siri, yeah, you guys ever talk to Siri when you guys are bored? I know it gets lonely out there sometimes, chat. But you know, that's what the Discord's for. If you guys haven't joined the Discord yet, make sure you guys join the Discord. Free access to the Discord, obviously. No charge, nothing. Free. We have 12.7k members in here that are all price action traders. We try to keep the noise out from the art traders because it gets too, beefy in the chat. We try to have a clean, helpful community, not a toxic one. So if you guys want people to talk to during the Atlanta session or Asian, or you guys want to hop on a call for those sessions, this is the channel for you. Make sure you guys join it. Let's get to 13k. We're at 12.7.
It just dawned on me, what's right feels wrong.
You are trade indices? Yeah. I used to, not as much anymore. No. But next year we may add US30 back on the list. Chat, you have a 4-hour closure in 7 seconds. Okay. It looks like the 4-hour candle on GJ looks pretty decent. It looks like it closing below. Yeah. Looks like this thing closed below. So, you know what that means? This right here was a range 1 earlier on today. It was a range 1 all day, right? It was never a range 2. So you broke past a range. This, you can see now this is a fake out. So since you're closing below here, there's a high chance that price could look to drop down now to fill the rest of the range here. Next target for GJ is going to be 167.88. That's my next target for a day, or this 4-hour candle. This range going down is like 70 pips. It's not bad. I would love to take sells, but I think I'm gonna need a closure below these ranges first, and that probably won't come until maybe 7:15, 7:30. As for gold here, gold on the 4H closed below. Wow, gold closed below as well. You know what, chat? We may have a sell stop for a wick fill here, because if you're closing below the 4-hour support here, you can definitely take away the sells in the flip using current count stops coming down. With all this volume here, you flip bearish break below 696, you have a sell stop coming down for the wick fill for 60 pips here. So what I'm gonna do here is actually place a sell stop 696.970 here. Current count stops, all right? Because you're closing below the range. It's all clean traffic until like technically like 1687 here. It's just a 4-hour closure below, right? And using current count stops. Pretty straightforward analysis. Current count stops right now are going to be around 39 pips, 38 pips. So it's like half risk for sure for me. Since stops are a little wider, but not bad. Oh, I put my 796,970, 1700. This stop loss could change as well, because it's current count stops, right? So it could change, but if it gets too big, we'll just delete. But for now, this is perfect. If this is the high, this is a top wick, then this is perfect top wick. On Blueberry, the sell stops at 1696.94. Okay, 94 on Blueberry. Right here, 10 lots. If it breaks the highs, I may reduce it to like an 8 lot. And TP is down here at 1684 for 91 pips. This is a clean setup on the 4H, very clean. I think BE chat in this case would be like probably 1693 BE point. That could change though, or half closure point will be there. Eunice Wix? Wix is distracted.
I got self stops.
Oh. Stops gonna be 1700 points. You didn't break the highs again, right? That's about it. Yeah. Here's a wick fill, man. You want to try B? Might be this support here, because you have the 1 hour support is like right here, 695.45. That would be the BE point probably, and then the half closure point would be like 693. That's if it gets activated. It could still not get activated, right? And then this trade here would be basically, we'll put it as copy link. 904. If I was using the previous kind of stop chat, I'll probably have I wouldn't be as aggressive on the stops to BE, but since it's a current kind of stop, we don't know if this is a high for the 4H yet. Like we have no confirmation that's gonna be high, aside from the fact that it's higher probability of it being a high after we break the lows. But there's no like 100% guarantee that's the high because the count didn't close yet, right? But that's what comes with using current count stops. What was it? Breakout. Current high low, right? Nice. At least it's a current high low, not the previous 4H half. Could get activated here, chat. You know what? Actually, for manage risk today, since it's a very clean, you know what I'm going to do instead? We're going to manage risk off of closures, actually, off the 15. I believe we're activated, right? I think. Nope. Almost there. A pip away. Let me just remove this so it's nice and clear for you guys. Should be activated here.
I'm not activating.
TP at what? TP is 1687. All right, chat. So sell stops has been activated here. As you can see, stop loss is the current kind of high for 39 pips. TP is down here for around 89 pips, 9 pips basically. All right, this is the trade we're in. This is just a 4-hour closure below the range, putting our trust into the high. For a stop loss, price shouldn't break the high. Well, technically, price shouldn't break the 4 high. Like the most logical stop loss here, chat, would be this. But look how big that stop loss is, right? So if I'm taking this trade here, if I'm looking for the 4-hour wick fill, I'm just gonna trust the current high that we just created. But with this volume momentum, we should get a continuation here with the closure below. Pretty straightforward setup.
Where's stop loss? I'm lost.
Current high, man.
Fucking screen, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Dude.
That may be at 94-ish levels. We'll see. Expecting volume here, though, obviously, right? You want half lot risk? Half lots wicks?
Yeah, stops. Stops are around 30.
I mean, I would love to use 20 full lots, but I can't. So it'll be too much risk. I'm only risking 4,000 here on this trade. If I were to use 20, it would be 8,000, right?
Risky frisky.
Which technically we can use. I mean, we'll still be in profit for a day, but it's just I'm okay with this. If I lose this trade, it'll be like maybe 4% of my profits gone, or 45. B hit that you might be already. I mean, if it flips bullish and hits my stops, then that's a good decision to make. However, I am not BE. There's a lot of clean traffic here. Very clean. Once it re-breaks the lows, you should see a drive. The lows are like 17. What is it? 1795.96 now. Also chat, in terms of managing risk here, in a losing situation, what I'm gonna do here is if the, I want to say maybe like the 1 hour closes above this range would maybe manage risk, but as long as the 1 hour is below here, it's still valid for me. All right. What does the flip give you instead of the breakout lows? So we got 19. What, that was 19? What did we get? 8? We got 8. I didn't know. Looks very tiny. You have a 15 closure in 4 minutes here. So if you can get the 50-minute seller replay on top of this, this would be perfect.
About to hit this 1K followers.
1K followers. For what? Instagram?
Yeah, got 999 at the moment.
Oh damn! Everyone unfollow right now. If it straight hit stop loss, chat, you can't get that. You can't get that 1,000 today.
Yeah, I just refreshed my page now. It's 998. They're listening to you. It's great.
Kidding, chat. I'm kidding.
These are just jokes. Just joke. Name Wix. Yeah, where? Go to IG and follow. What's your IG? Wix9 _.
Oh, pushing back up. Are we gonna re-break the highs? Thing is, like, it can break the highs and still be valid, chat, right? But as for re-entries, I don't know. I think that's it. If this trade away hit stops today, I think that's it for me for a day. I'll probably call it a day. Cause I don't. If I take another trade, it's all my profits are gone for a day, right? It's gonna be a day. 15 is about to close bullish too. Maybe 2 minutes left. That can happen. But yeah, highs broken. Well, so here's the thing. All right. Yes, we hit stops here, chat. We hit stops here. I think, yeah, we hit stops here. I'm pretty sure. So we hit stops. However, the trade's still valid. Understand that, right? Because technically, this is the high. The 4H high is up here. So as long as price respects like 16, 17, 15, it can still flip bearish. So you can definitely still take another entry later on. But for another entry, I would highly suggest you take positions maybe down below. What I'll do probably is wait for closures instead now, off the 1 hour, maybe below here, or maybe you can reflip later. If the 4 hour reflips later and you have like a 30-minute fake out or whatever, that'll be perfect for the sells. But yeah, like this is just creating a top wick now, or high chance could be creating a top wick. And by the looks of it, the most recent resistance is gonna be up here now, so you can definitely come to the top 17 and wait before driving down. But I'll wait for that for you guys. But me personally, I'm probably gonna be done for the day. Probably gonna be done for the day. Yeah, so this is the day for me today. That's my day. All right. Alrighty, chat. Still clean though on the 4H, but I don't know. I think it's 9 a.m. here. It's a Friday. If I were to get trade, it'll just be one trade, and now I'm okay with risking like risking my profits there in that case, right? It was also a very clean closure too. But yeah, wouldn't be surprised though. By the end of the 4 hour candle, if we'll see like 1687 levels, or at least the wick fill at 1690 on the 4H. But that's it for me, chat, today. That's it for me. Let me update the trades taken. Man, this was not a trade. We gotta change this. 17, 904. And then 97. Gold sells breakout. Current higher low. 4H half. Alright. All right. Negative 29. No, that was 30. Was that 39? Right? It was 39, right? Yeah, 38, 39. Yeah, 39. Update this. Well, second loss of October. 35th loss of the year on the stream. Let me update the record too. 35th loss of the year, second loss of the month. We're still not on board for October, which is a rare case scenario, but that's right. I think it was a pretty decent week this week. If you're trading the Asian London, as well, not just New York. If you're just trading New York, then New York for me this week, probably my worst session this week. I think Asian was my best session this week. But yeah, chat. I am gonna call it a day. We're gonna move on to tomorrow or Monday. Wix9, do you want to enter your plug?
Shameless Asian plug. Do not be there tonight. All right. We will not have an Asian session because it's fucking Friday. Go enjoy your weekend. But Monday evening, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Be there, be square. Asian session live stream on YouTube with me, host Wix9, and maybe we'll have a celebrity guest drop by the name of Downbow. Is that a possibility? I don't know. You guys won't know until you're there. So Monday night, Asian, that's the next Asian session, and that's the next session altogether, right? Because Monday is a day off, right?
Monday, yeah.
Yeah, so that's just the next overall stream. I think Monday evening. At least Wix9 hit 1K on Insta. That's a win for sure. Thank you guys.
We had to make a sacrifice. It was either his 1K on Instagram or we took a win, and we had to go.
Whenever it's a Wix9 day, it's always a loss for stream. Like my birthday was fucking a loss on stream, a loss on Wordle.
Oh, let's do a Wordle. Good reminder. Can't be that bad of a day, right, chat? Trade. TRAD. I don't need no advice. Alright. Pros that dipping off for Wordle. Have a good day, yo. I love you guys. Thanks for being here today. Wasn't like the cleanest day, but I'm sure if you stick around till 10, you'll get another opportunity. But I wouldn't highly suggest it. If like you're kind of if that's what you're gonna do, then if that was your plan, then okay. But if that wasn't your plan, don't force another trade just to make the profits back. I know there's still a lot of volume and you have plenty of opportunities today, but just at the end of the day, stick to your plan, right? And if you're on props for a day, then don't even sweat it. Like don't even try to attempt another position. Trade. Blades. Pays. We got pays today. Pays. How about maids? Yeah, pays and paid. Wow. Bald.
I think A is last also.
Baldy. Valdi, Caldi, huh? Panda?
Panda, yeah.
Why do you think A is last?
I think it's both last and second.
Oh no.
I was wrong.
That was not a good guess.
We got to end. What you mean it's not a good guess?
I guessed the end anyways. Is that a word? Was it a word, I guess?
O or U at the end?
DY. Candy.
Candy, yeah. DY. That was a bad guess.
Whatever. Bandy.
Landy.
Handy. Handy.
Handy.
Hold on. No, it can't be Sandy. Hold on, we can't lose another word on a day like today on a Friday. We cannot.
It's a Wix day. I'm telling you, we always lose trade and Wordle on Wix days. Wix wins, everyone loses.
Ooh, man.
Dandy.
Burn?
Dandy. That's the only thing I can think of. No, hold on. Zandy. Zandy. Wendy.
Bandy.
Gandy. Fandy.
Vandy.
Vandy, no. Oh, Andy.
Wandy.
Oh, Andy, yeah. I think it's Dandy. Oh, man.
Let's see.
Well, you gotta pick something. Out of everything that we see so far, this one makes the most sense, right? So we gotta go with the most sensible one. Well, I'm 100% sure. I'm not even doubting this.
Yes.
Bah, see.
All right.
Have
Oh,
confidence.
at least it was something, chat. At least it was something, you know. At least it was something. Oh well.
End the week off with a W.
Yep. 15-minute fake out. All right, chat. I'm calling it a day here, guys. If you're waiting for the 4-hour flip, you should be in good hands. This range going down is 100 pips. All right. But my day is done here. I'm gonna call it. Take my profits and enjoy them, I guess. But yeah, I'll catch y'all on Monday morning. All right. At 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Oh no, Tuesday morning. Monday is Thanksgiving. We won't be here Monday. We'll be here on Tuesday. It's a short week next week, so just enjoy it. Do what you can. Get my out trading. All right. Peace out, chat. Love you guys. Have a good day.
Peace.
Thank you for tuning in today again. As always.
Pull up, it's a light show. Gang with me, we ain't even gotta try. Every idea, bro, we gon' be arrive. That pussy wet like a faucet. I know her body, oh, I know. Like, why you sweating me like this? She follow me to the bathroom. She knowin' the way to get nasty. She said she want me, or she going like she have no man. Ooh, it's a trifling no man. If I don't speak, you won't speak, I know. You a freak, I know. Life of a goddess. Met her in the club. All the ballers showing love. Can you party with a thug? I'm just trying to show you love. VIP, we got it packed. This is where the party at. You the one I wanna know. So tell me how it's supposed to go.
He said meet me in Miami. Ever been on a jet, girl, don't you panic. Keys to the wheels and the mansions. He know I was this thick, t-shirt panties. We hit the club together, we tilt the dancers. Might grab a couple if they really attractive. Or I can keep it classy, I can get romantic. It's all up to you, what you wanna do.
I used to love him, leave him. Girl, it's something about you, think I'ma keep him. Up in the wagon, I put the Jeep up. Living lavish, so kick your feet up. Met her in the club. All the ballers showing love. Can you party with a thug? I'm just trying to show you love. VIP, we got it packed. This is where the party at. You the one I wanna know. So tell me how it's supposed to go. Let's take a trip to the other side. Tell me if you're thinking otherwise. You a boss, I wanna treat you. I'm tired of all the leeches. I'm in love with all your features. I'ma love you till your knees weak. It could be simple, but it ain't easy. I know you know what's up.
keep up. I pull up in the wagon, you put the Jeep up. Boy, we living lavish, kick your feet up. All I wanna do is get away with you. You had me at hello, what's up? What we gonna do when we leave this club?
Met her in the club, all the polish showing up. Can you party with a thug? I'm just trying to show you love. VIP, we got it packed. This is where the party at. You the one I wanna know. So tell me how it's supposed to go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Asian darkness, need it. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Later, gang.